Now, there is one other interesting thing about Jupiter that I am going to mention here. And it's definitely something that casual astrology observers might miss. All of this stuff in the middle of the chart, I call it the fruit salad, right? All of this stuff represents all of the connections between the planets in the chart, or the aspects as we call them. In the bottom left-hand corner of this, you're also going to see this box. Okay? This is what we call an aspectarian. This is a quick way to notate all of the fruit salad that I just circled. It's all down here in the bottom left-hand corner. So for someone looking at a chart, you can see quickly where the connections are between the planets. This is Jupiter here, and you're going to notice he doesn't have any connections. And these are the rest of the planets, and Jupiter doesn't have any connections there either. When you have a planet that is not connected via any of the aspects, any of the major aspects, I guess I'll say, you have a planet that is not integrated into the chart. Now, what does that mean, integrated? It means that it is not connected to the chart, and so no other planet has an influence on it. Again, sometimes it's a positive thing, sometimes it's a negative thing. But usually when we see something like this in a chart, we usually notate it like this. We call that unaspected. A planet that is unaspected gets a lot more attention because there's nothing holding it back. You can almost think of it kind of like a rogue planet. Like it kind of does what it wants. You know, it is not fettered. It is not held back. And so when you see in this chart that this Jupiter has no connections to anything else, this unaspected Jupiter, this is someone who probably was very lucky. I would say he's extremely lucky, or was. This is someone who was free quite a bit of his life, even though he didn't deserve to be. I mean, all of us know how long it took for him to get caught the first time, and then before he was caught the second time. Okay? This is someone who likely was pretty lucky and who had a lot of potential freedom. Again, that's a very small brushstroke, but it's something that you can see every once in a while, a planet that is unaspected. And it tends to bring the focus of a chart onto that planet to a certain extent. So not only do we have Jupiter in the fourth house, not far away from this line, right? Not far away from the nadir, from the IC, which makes it significant, but we also have it unaspected. Basically, in this chart, Jupiter can run amok. And because it's in that fourth house of the private life, not everybody is going to see that right away. Okay? Again, something he keeps private. Jupiter is a planet that, again, as I've said, deals with overseas travel and travel to different places. And he certainly did that. And he had a number of homes, fourth house, in various places. Jupiter represents big. Jupiter represents growth. And so the fact that he had multiple homes in multiple locations is not a surprise. Not at all.